This is the stylish Grohe Concetto kitchen tap. A perfect combination of minimalist design and superior performance. The medium-high spout is perfect to wash or fill even large pots. The tap turns smoothly through 100 degrees and has a pull-out comfort showerhead to maximise the operating area. And you can switch easily between fine spray jet and the powerful shower jet for complete convenience and cleaning control. With the Grohe Easy Dock system, the metal showerhead retracts smoothly into the spout. It also features our GROHE SilkMove ceramic cartridge for smooth and precise water control, a gleaming GROHE StarLight chrome finish, SpeedClean anti-limescale nozzles, and an easy installation system. And you can be certain of the outstanding Grohe quality, all backed up by our 5-year guarantee. Grohe Concetto products for the kitchen are available in a variety of styles and features. Grohe Concetto. It's time to add sophisticated form and functionality to your kitchen.